Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make the perfect Nigerian meat pie. So we are going to start with our meat pie dough. In a clean bowl, add in some flour. Please check the description below for the full measurements. Then add in sugar, add baking powder, add salt, then mix everything together. Now add one egg and mix together again. Then add in butter or margarine, whichever one you prefer. Then mix everything together with your hand. Make sure your hand is washed and very clean before mixing, please. So you mix everything together very well till it turns to crumbs. It's going to look like breadcrumbs like this. Now add in some cold milk. You can use just water, but for me I prefer milk. So you mix everything together very well, then knead it to make a dough. This is what it will look like. Now get a plastic wrap and wrap it up, then keep in your refrigerator. While the dough is resting in the fridge, let's make our meat pie filling. We need some minced meat. You can also blend your meat with your heavy duty blender or food processor if you can't get minced meat. We need Scotch bonnet, we need onions and ginger, we need Irish potatoes and carrots, we need curry powder, seasoning cubes and salt. We need soy sauce and oyster sauce. Now wash the carrots and scrape out the dirty skin. Wash and peel the skin of the Irish potato as well. We are going to cut the potatoes into tiny chunks. Then we'll do the same for the carrots as well. Please don't cut it too big. Cut it into tiny cubes like this. So we're going to chop our onions and we'll do the same for the Scotch bonnet. You can use your manual vegetable chopper for this, or do it just exactly the way I'm doing it. In a pan, add some oil, then add in the minced meat, add ginger paste and the chopped onions. Now we want to break it with a spatula like this and stir fry for about 7 minutes till it's well cooked. Now we are going to add in our chopped potatoes. You add in the chopped carrots, the Scotch bonnet, add seasoning cube, add salt, add the curry powder, add in a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of oyster sauce. Now mix everything together and stir fry for 2 minutes. Add some water and leave it to cook for 3 minutes. While it's cooking, we are going to make some flour slurry. Add 1 spoon of flour into a bowl with a cup of water, then mix thoroughly to make a slurry. Now add in the flour slurry and mix together for a minute, then turn off the heat and set aside to cool down. Now bring out the dough from the fridge and cut into 6 pieces. This dough can make up to 10 pieces, but it's better it's thick. I want my meat pie very big, so 6 pieces is perfect. Now mold it round, then sprinkle some flour on your clean surface and spread it out with your rolling pin. Please don't spread it too flat. Remember, we want it thick. I'm using this meat pie cutter for the first method. You can get the meat pie cutter from the market, it's very affordable. So place it on the meat pie cutter, add in a spoon of the filling. Don't overfill it, 1 spoon is enough, trust me. Then you can add a little water at the edge. You can use egg, you can use the flour slurry as well. This will make it close up very well. Now close the cutter with your hand on it like this for it to cut out the excess. Then open and remove it from the cutter. See how clean it looks? This cutter makes it very fast and stress-free. Repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Now for the second method, You can use a small round bowl like this. After spreading out the dough, place the bowl on the center, then cut with a sharp knife. Remove the excess, then add the filling. Put a little water or egg on the edge, then close it up with your hands. Now you need a fork to press down the edge like this, and this is what it will look like. So you can get the meat pie cutter or use this method. Now arrange everything on your oven tray. Please make sure you use parchment paper because we don't want our meat pie sticking to the pan. If you don't have a parchment paper, spread some butter on your pan and sprinkle some flour on it, then arrange your meat pie on it. We are going to preheat our oven for 2 or 3 minutes. Now break 1 egg in a bowl. You can add milk and mix together. Then use the egg to egg wash the meat pie gently. This will make it look very clean and shiny. Now place the pan in the preheated oven. Use the bottom burner and bake for 50 minutes under 150 °C. After 50 minutes, this is what we have. This meat pie is so good. The flaky texture, shining golden brown, the filling, everything is perfect. Just follow this recipe step by step. You will love it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.